Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix blank white desktop shortcut icons in Windows 10. First, what we're going to do is right click on the Start or Windows icon and click on Run right here. What we're going to type in is App Data. Once you have typed that in, click on OK, and from here there should be these folders called Local, Local Low, and Roaming. If you don't see these folders, click on the View tab at the top part of this window and make sure to check on the hidden files right here or hidden items, and these folders should show up. Once these show up, go to the local folder, and what we're going to do is scroll through and find the one that says Icon Cache right here, and we right click on it and click on Delete. Now the next step would be to right click on the Windows or Start icon again, and we click on Task Manager. From here, you can scroll through this list until you find Windows Explorer. Select Windows Explorer, right-click on it, and click on Restart to restart the Windows Explorer. And you should see that your desktop icon should now show up on your desktop. And that is how you can basically fix blank white desktop shortcut icons in Windows 10. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.